Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to open apps in split screen on your Poco phone. To open apps in split screen mode, just open the first app that you want to have in split screen. So I'm gonna open Google Chrome. Then if you have the gesture, slide up and hold to open the recents. If you don't have the gesture bar at the bottom and you have three buttons instead, then click on the square button and it will open recents as well. Then press and hold on the app that you want to use in split screen and select this icon to put it in split screen. Then select other app. I'm gonna select the settings. And now you can see I have this one on the top, this one on the bottom. I can also hold on these three dots to switch them, resize them, or close them. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.